guys, I'm Evan, and this is what I like to cover during my first drum lesson with a new student. Generally speaking, we'll start with how to hold some drumsticks. I like to start with our chip grabber fingers, like eating a bag of chips. And we'd start with just go about an inch back from the middle of the stick, and then just slowly wrap your fingers around and try to get them in a nice good grip. You want all your fingers wrapped around. A lot of times people start like this, and that's not where you want to be. It gives you a whole lot less control that way. So I start right here. And then I like to go and I like to think about flicking water off my hands, because that's a really good way of trying to think about it, and then you get a really good tone out of the drum. A lot of times people start with this really snappy feel, and it actually can hurt your wrists after a long time. I like to think of it a little bit more of a flow, and then you can get going really fast. And that's really a big thing that I spend a lot of time with my first students. Because how you hold your drumstick, that's the entire basis of everything you're going to play. If your drumstick grip is bad, then most of what you're going to play, you're going to have very little control over it. And then if you don't have control over what you're doing, you're probably not going to sound the best. So that's always super, super important.